Hey everybody, let's talk about nouns that can be counted and nouns that can't be counted. Well, here are some pictures of luggage. The left picture shows a lot of luggage. The middle picture shows 4 suitcases. And the picture on the right is the same as the picture on the left. So a suitcase is countable, but luggage is not. Things that are not countable in English are of many kinds. For example, liquids like rain, water, milk, oil, etc. Some very small and numerous things like corn, sand, rice, and so on. General categories like traffic, tourism, scenery, music, or ideas. Words like knowledge, information, love, beauty, all these are not countable in English. Here are some questions and some answers. Do you have any information? You cannot say an information because it's not countable. But you can ask, do you have any information? And the answer is, I have some information. Advice is another word that's non-countable. So you can ask the question, can you give me some advice? And there could be a statement that says, that is good advice, because non-countable nouns are always singular. Another question, do you have any money on you? And an answer could be, there is some money on the table. Is because money is non-countable. But if you ask about dollars, they're countable. $1, $2, $3. So you can ask the question, how many dollars are there? And the answer is there are $2 on the table. There are, because it's countable. Now, how do you count the uncountable? Well, you have to use another word. For example, you can say, I need a piece of information. A piece of. You cannot say an information, but you can say a piece of information. Or can I have a glass of water? A glass of. The recipe calls for 1 cup of rice. Or, yes, I'd like a piece of cheese. Thanks. Some countable nouns are related to non-countable nouns, such as I live in a house. House is countable, but housing is expensive. Or he is unemployed. Unemployed is an adjective, but the noun unemployment is non-countable and singular. Unemployment is rising. Or the word industry. My city has many industries. You can count them. But if you talk about industry in general, it's non-countable, like the tourist industry is changing. Or the word crime. Is it a crime, countable, to cheat on your taxes? Well, there is little crime in Irvine. Or there are not many crimes in Irvine. But if you use is, it's non-countable. Now, how about some of those words too much, too many, too few, or too little? Here are some examples about a guy we will call Chris. Poor Chris. He has too much money. Too much means more than he needs or wants. Too much. Too much is not the same as very much. Very much just means much. But too much is more than he needs or wants. He has too few friends. Friends are countable, so we have to use the word few. Too few. Not as many as he needs or wants. He has too little time because time is non-countable. So that is less than he needs or wants. And he has too many responsibilities, more than he needs or wants. Now you guess, are these words countable or non-countable? Say it to yourself while you listen to me say the words. Research. Do you say research is or researches are? Is it countable or non-countable? I'll say them again. Research, truth, evidence, homework, furniture, news, coffee, wine, fruit, faith, art, time. Countable or non-countable? Haha, you are right. All those words were non-countable. So applause to you.